Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update in the United States, and this is big news for Galaxy users. After launching globally earlier this week, the update is now reaching several of Samsung's most popular flagship devices in the US, including the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6. This marks another major software upgrade from Samsung as the company continues improving its Android experience with new features, performance upgrades, and better stability across its premium devices. The rollout currently includes the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Reports also say the standard Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are receiving the update as well, although their exact firmware versions have not yet been confirmed. For the devices already confirmed, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is getting firmware version S9QU5DZDR. The Galaxy S24 FE is receiving version S721 USQUBDZDP. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is getting firmware F9QU and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is receiving firmware version F741 USQU3DZDP. At the moment, Samsung appears to be rolling out the update mainly for carrier-locked US devices first. That means users with unlocked models may need to wait a little longer before seeing the update notification appear on their phones. Still, the rollout has officially begun, which means wider availability is likely coming very soon. If you own one of these Galaxy devices in the US and haven't received the update yet, you can manually check for it by going into Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. Now, while Samsung hasn't officially listed every single new feature included in One UI 8.5 during this rollout announcement, the update is expected to bring several improvements focused on smoother animations, better multitasking, stronger AI features, and more polished system performance. Samsung has been heavily focused on refining the One UI experience over the past few years. Instead of completely redesigning the software every year, the company now focuses more on improving usability, stability, and customization. And honestly, that strategy seems to be working well. One UI has become one of the most popular Android skins in the world because it balances features with simplicity. Samsung offers a lot of customization options, but the software still feels clean and organized compared to many competitors. For foldable users, this update could be especially important. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 rely heavily on software optimization because foldable devices have unique screen sizes and multitasking needs. Samsung continues to improve how apps behave across folded and unfolded displays, making the experience smoother and more practical for everyday use. On the Fold 6, users can expect improved multitasking performance, smoother transitions between displays, and better app scaling. Samsung has been pushing foldables as productivity devices, and software updates like One UI 8.5 are critical for that vision. Meanwhile, Flip 6 users may notice refinements to the cover screen experience, animations, battery optimization, and overall responsiveness. The Galaxy S24 lineup also benefits from Samsung's ongoing AI improvements. Features tied to Galaxy AI continue evolving with each software version, helping with translation, writing tools, photo editing, search functions, and smart suggestions throughout the system. Samsung clearly wants its software experience to feel smarter and more connected over time. Another important part of this rollout is timing. Samsung has become much faster with updates compared to previous years. There was a time when Android users waited months for major updates, especially in the United States where carrier testing often delayed releases. But recently, Samsung has dramatically improved its software update speed. In many cases, Galaxy devices now receive updates almost as quickly as Google Pixel phones. That's a huge improvement for the company and one reason why many Android users continue choosing Samsung devices. And this update rollout also shows how serious Samsung is about long-term software support. The company now promises several years of Android and security updates for flagship phones, which makes expensive devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Z Fold 6 feel like safer long-term investments. For users spending over $1,000 on a smartphone, software support matters just as much as hardware. Of course, as with any major update, some users may want to wait a few days before installing it, just to see if any bugs or battery issues appear. But since this is labeled as a stable release, Samsung has likely completed most of its testing already. Overall, One UI 8.5 looks like another important step in Samsung's software evolution. It may not completely reinvent the Galaxy experience, but it continues refining what already works well. And for Galaxy users in the US, the update is finally starting to arrive.